so much. We decided to do a class on a video so you could watch it at home and follow along with us. My helper today is Charlotte. So we're excited and we're going to get started. Alright, so follow along. Don't forget to have your parents do with you. That would be super fun. Alright, are we ready? Okay, what should we have today? Ice cream? Oh, hot chocolate. Let's do hot chocolate. Alright, let's start this one. This hand over here, sweetie. This hand over here. This is going to be the chocolate. Oh, delicious. Alright, scoop it up really big. Put it over. Good. Stir up this side. This one's going to be the what? The itty bitty, teeny tiny marshmallows. Scoop it up really big and put it over. Good. Okay, now two hands. This is going to be the whipped cream to put on top. Scoop it up. Put it on top. Sprinkle with more chocolate. Okay, let's sip it. Ooh, it's hot. Blow on it. Sip it. Ooh, it's hot. Blow on it. Sip it. Perfect. Go, 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 go. Delicious. That's so good. Okay, put those little toes together like this. All right, very good. What are we right now? A butterfly. Okay. What color do you want to be today? Lavender. There's your sparkles. What color do you want to be today? Oh, that's a really good color. Let's give them sparkles. Sparkle them. And I think today I want to be all the beautiful colors. Can you sparkle me too? Thank you. So good. Okay, who's after us?
The butterfly catcher.
The butterfly catcher. But we don't want him to get us. So, we're flying. We're flying. I see a kite. Put your nose on your toes. Stay down, stay down. Okay, look around. Okay, keep flying, keep flying, keep flying. I see the big kite. Put your nose on your toes. Stay down, stay down. Okay, look around. Okay, we're almost there. Go faster and faster and faster. He's right behind us. Count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wipe it off. Shoo, that was so super close. All right, bring those legs in. Give yourselves a big squeeze, just like this. Okay, now get up to the top. Good. All right, now stretch those legs out in front of you. Take your keys out of your pockets and lock them up. Put those keys back in your pockets. Now check your legs, make sure they're nice and straight. Hands behind your back, sitting up very tall. We go flex and point, flex and point, flex and point, flex and point. One foot, other foot, other foot, other foot, other foot, other foot, other foot, both feet. Circle 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Point those toes. All right, get those little dancers ready. We go. Run and stop. Run and stop. Run and stop. Run, 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 run. Out of your toes. And pull it back. Run and stop. Run and stop. Run and stop. Run, 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 run. Out of your toes. Pull it back. Let's hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Out of your toes. Oh, so good. Do you hear the music? It's beautiful. Ready? Let's dance. Go this way. Dance over here. Dance it over here. Dance it over here and then dance it. Wave in the sky and dance it on those toes. Good. Kiss those knees 3 times, but don't bend them. Don't bend them. Ready? Keep them straight. No, that's ready. Point your toes. 1, 2, 3. Now shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, you're gonna have to scoot over a little bit. Okay, get those legs open. Good, very nice. Now, draw a smiley face on your knee. What should our smiley face be today? You know what? I think it should be the sunshine because it's not very sunshiny today. So let's draw a big sunshine. Should we put a tutu on our sunshine? Yes, there's a tutu on our sunshine. All right, now where does my sunshine look?
At the ceiling.
At the ceiling. What happens if my sunshine looks at the floor like that? Everybody go like this. Think really hard. Think about your favorite food. Okay, what are you gonna eat today, Charlotte? Watermelon sounds really good. What are you guys gonna eat today? Something really good? Think about it. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. I think I'm gonna have tortilla soup. That sounds delicious. All right, get those little dancers ready. Get those dancers. Point your toes. Point your toes. All right, here we go. Run, 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 run. Reach out as far as you can. Now reach for it. Reach for it. Oh, that's so good. Reach for it. Delicious. Reach for it. Oh, one more time. Reach for it. Check your temperature. I feel like you could do a little bit more. Maybe some dessert. Here we go. Run, 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 run like this. Keep your toes up. Keep those toes pointed. Reach as far as you can. Now let's do slow motion. Fast motion! Oh dear. Oh goodness, we did it again. We ate too much food. Oh, always eat too much food. But it's so good. Shh! There's a bug on our toe. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Reach, reach, reach. Put your nose underneath. I didn't get it. Like this. One more time. 1, point your toes. 2, 3. Reach, reach, reach. Put your nose underneath. Scoop it up. Oh my goodness. What bug did you get today? Oh, I got another bug, but that's pretty fun. I got a ladybug with purple sparkle polka dots. What did you get today? Oh, very good. Okay, give it a kiss. Blow it. Throw it under your toe. Put your hands like this. 1, this way. 2, 3. Reach, reach, reach. Put your nose underneath. Didn't get it. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Reach, reach, reach. Put your nose underneath. Scoop it up. Oh my goodness. Guess what we got? It's a rainbow sparkle butterfly with extra sparkly wings. Kiss it. Blow it. Good. Now leave those legs right here. Put those hands right here. We're going to kiss the floor, but we don't really kiss the floor because it's dirty. Keep those legs straight. Ready? 1, 2, 3. But of course, you can really kiss your knee. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to see some little froggies. Get on your tummy. Oh, let me see my little Charlotte on her tummy. Oh, so good. What position is this?
A frog.
It is. It's our ballet TV position. This is how we watch ballet TV. Look how nice her little legs are going out. Okay, Miss Charlotte, what are you watching on ballet TV today?
Descendants 1 and Descendants 2.
Ooh, that sounds like lots of fun. What are you guys watching today? Wow, that sounds like so much fun. I'm watching, let me think. I know all of us when we're dancing together again in the studio. I'm so excited. All right, get those legs straight. Good, get them straight. Make sure they're nice and straight. Push up on your hands. Good. Oh, that's so good. Now, you look like a turtle. I don't want a turtle. Point your toes. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and wait! Get your chin up. And come down. 1, 2, 3, and wait! And come down. 1, 2, 3, and wait! Hold it, hold it. Fly a little bit. Now curl to a little ball. Curl, curl. Oh, this is so good. Okay, now, today, why don't we be, of course, fairy princesses, and of course, those are my little boys out there for my handsome prince. Alright, so I'm going to wake up Charlotte, and when I wake up Charlotte, you need to wake up too. And then that will finish our stretches. Alright, wake up my little beautiful princesses and handsome princes. And then freeze in first position with your arms in preparation. Good. Okay, now our next section, we're going to go into ballet. So we'll see you in just a minute.